In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Charles Schwab Investment Account. Let's start at the beginning. Log into your account using the official Schwab website or the Schwab mobile app. If you're brand new, the mobile app is a great first download because it keeps everything in one place: logins, transfers, alerts, and trading right from your phone. Once you can sign in reliably, you're ready for funding. Next, add money to your account. Inside your dashboard, look for Move Money. From there, you can choose an online bank transfer, a standard bank transfer, a wire, or a mobile check deposit. If speed matters, the fastest options are typically an online bank transfer or a mobile deposit. Make sure your linked bank details are correct and that you've moved in an amount that fits your plan and comfort level. Now decide what to invest in. Schwab offers a wide range: individual stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, index funds, and bonds. If you're just getting started, many beginners keep it simple with an S&P 500 index fund or a broad market ETF. These aim to track the overall market, which can be an easier on-ramp than picking individual companies right away. Before you buy, take a few minutes to research. Schwab includes helpful tools like stock and ETF screeners, watch lists, analyst ratings, and market news. You can search by company name, stock ticker like AAPL, or an ETF name. Use these tools to compare fees, historical performance, and basic fundamentals so you understand what you're purchasing and why. When you're ready to buy, go to Trade, enter the symbol, choose Buy, and decide how many shares or how many dollars you want to invest. Review your order carefully, then submit. If the market is open, you'll typically see the order fill quickly. If it's closed, it may fill when trading resumes. Once you own investments, keep an eye on them. Check gains and losses, track your overall portfolio value, set price or news alerts, and watch for dividend activity. You can do all of this on the website or the mobile app, and setting a regular check-in schedule can help you stay disciplined without constantly refreshing. If you decide to sell or withdraw later, go back to Trade, select the investment, choose Sell, enter the number of shares, and submit your order. To move cash out, sell your investments first, wait for the funds to settle, then transfer the cash back to your bank. A final beginner tip: start simple. Many new investors begin with ETFs or index funds before moving on to individual stock picking. Keep your process clear, take your time, and build confidence step by step.